Morning guys, welcome out to another Cooking with Jared here at Escape Adventures headquarters. Today I'm going to show you how to flip a big fat pancake. And we're gonna have a pancake breakfast here, so I'm just gonna give you a little bit of my 2 cents on what I like to do with pancakes. And generally we do our pancakes the day after we do cobbler. And I'll show you why here in just a second. But before we do that, we're just gonna mix up our pancake mix right here, and I'll just show you a few things that I do. So here we go. Okay, first off, we're gonna use some Kodiak cakes here, which are a really good all-natural brand and a very hearty pancake mix. So we're gonna open these up, and sometimes you gotta use a little knife there. And we're gonna make just a couple big round pancakes here. So I'm gonna use about half of this bag. Okay, and you wanna just simply add your water to it. And if you want fluffy pancakes, you want to just use 1 egg in there. So that's just a little trick. Now you can see it's kind of thick right there, so we're gonna wanna add some more water here. All right, so our butter, we want to make sure we coat the entire pan with butter. All right. Now you don't want your flame too hot. You don't want your butter starting to turn brown. That's a no-no on pancakes. So, and here we go. So we're gonna pour this in. This is not your normal size pancake. And there we go, right there. We're gonna let it even out there, and then we'll put it here. And once we start getting bubbles on the top, we'll know it's about time to flip it. I'll show you the key to flipping a pancake in a full-size saute pan here. All right guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cobbler from last night. We didn't eat quite all of it, and this is the key to making probably the best pancakes in the world right here. So we're gonna take cobbler, cherry cobbler, and we're gonna throw the cherry cobbler in our pancakes right now. Trust me on this one, this is so good. Just throw your cobbler in there. There we go. Okay, now, right now you can see what's going on right here. We're gonna wanna get underneath, and you always buttered your pan really well, okay? Okay, once you have your pancake, you wanna free it up. See how it's free now? Okay, now the key to flipping a pancake is always follow the pancake. The pancake is in charge no matter what you do. So I'm gonna go where the pancake goes. Don't expect to flip it and just hold the pan here and it'll land in there. So here we go, you ready? Flip. See how easy that was? Pancake's perfectly in there, so we're gonna put it back on for about 30 seconds and then we'll be good. All right guys, right here you can see how we've got our pancake right there. Let's look at the bottom. You can see right there, it's going through. Yeah, key to make your pancake real simple, just put your plate on your pan, flip it over, and voila, you've got an Escape Adventures pancake right there. So let's go dress this up. All right, so we'll put a little bit of butter here on our pancake. Kind of spread it out just a little there. And then, whatever syrup you like. Some of us like regular syrup. I just like log cabin syrup. That's what I grew up on. All right there. We'll take obviously a little powdered sugar right here. Just a little sprinkles for looks and a little bit of extra flavor in there. All righty. And simply, voila, you've got an Escape Adventures full-size pancake. All right guys, well thanks again for coming out with Cooking with Jared here at Escape Adventures headquarters. And I hope you will cook at home your own Escape Adventures pancakes with cherry cobbler in them. Cook them for your friends or family, or come out and see us on an Escape Adventures tour. We'd love to have you. Thanks for joining us.